In this video, I will show you how to completely delete your Microsoft Office setup from your Windows PC without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do right here, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, come down below right here where you have your window icon right here, and go ahead and right click on the window logo. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on settings right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to apps from the sidebar right here. Click on apps. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on all apps. So here we go. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you look for Microsoft Office. So here we go. This is Microsoft Office 2026. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots right here. Then go ahead and click on uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. So go ahead and click on uninstall. Microsoft Office, click run. Go ahead and click on yes. So done uninstall, we have successfully removed Office from your computer. It is not required right away, but recommend that you restart your computer so we can tidy up a few remaining files. Go ahead and click on OK, close, then restart your PC, and everything on your computer that has to do with Office is going to be drastically removed. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.